Hello, my friends. Hi. So I want to speak to you today regarding stable coins and how to use it. Okay? So there is the base, Ethereum and Binance. We know those are what we call bases. Okay? When you buy ERC20 tokens, coins like any coin that's on Uniswap, okay? When those coins go up 40 or 50% or 70%, you want to at least cash in about 25% of those coins profit. So let's just say you bought Dodge Elon and you put 10,000 in it, and in 5 days it goes up to, let's just say, $16,000. Well, you want to take at least 25% of that 16,000. So let's just say you say to yourself, okay, I'm gonna take about $4,000 of it. So you go in, you switch in Uniswap Dodge Elon to Ethereum. So, and you do 2 ETH. So let's just say Ethereum is about 3,000. So now you scrape and brought 6,000 to Ethereum. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just say if you bought SafeMoon, and we all know that SafeMoon is on a Binance smart contract, and you had put $10,000 in SafeMoon and it goes up 18,000. Well, you can scrape 25 or 30% off that. So you say, I'm gonna take 7 grand off SafeMoon. Well, you gotta turn around, put SafeMoon back into Binance Smart Chain. So that's what I'm talking about, scraping. Okay? So when you scrape from those smart contract coins, you put it back in Binance or either Ethereum. And if Binance and Ethereum goes up 50%, then you scrape off Binance and put it in BUSD. BUSD is a stable coin where you can say to yourself, let's just say if you had about $30,000 worth of Binance and it went up 50%, so now it's like, let's just say 45,000. You could scrape 15,000 of it and put it in BUSD in Trust Wallet. And let's just say you had Ethereum that's 10,000 and it went up to 18,000. If you want to scrape 5,000, you scrape and put it in USDT. That's if you're in Trust Wallet. Now, if you're using Coinbase, you could just scrape and put it in USDC. If you're using crypto.com, you could do the same thing, scrape it and put it in USDC. I am Romeo the Professor. Click the link in my bio for free. Enter your name and email. It is the Investor will email you a lesson a day for free. Follow my YouTube channel also. It is the Investor. Thank you.